Hello everyone. Today we are starting a series on MERN stack. Before we jump into coding, understand what MERN actually is and why developer use it. Imagine you want to build an application like Instagram, WhatsApp, Amazon, or even your own project. What does such an application need? It needs a beautiful user interface, a login system, a backend to process requests, and database to store user information. A single technology cannot do all of these jobs efficiently. So that's why developer use something called a technology stack. A technology stack is simply a collection of technology that work together to build a complete application. One of the most popular stack today is MERN. MERN stand for sorry it is in MERN M stand for MongoDB, E stand for Express JS, R stand for React, and N stand for Node.js. Let's understand the role of each one. Firstly, React. React is responsible for everything the user sees on screen: buttons, forms, pages, dashboard, and user interaction are all built using React. In simple word, React build the front end. Like a user open a website and here are some menu, some content, photo. These all are created by React. Okay. So basically we can create user interface or front end by using React in modern technology. Modern stack technology. Next is Node.js. So normally Java only run inside the browser. Node.js allows JavaScript to run on server because as you know JavaScript, HTML, CSS and JS. So JavaScript has no its own compiler, so it's only run in browser using some browser engines, be it or every browser has its own engine to run the JavaScript. So JavaScript run only inside the browser, but Node.js allows JavaScript to run on server. Like there is a server, so we can allow JavaScript to run on server also. So it is run on browser, JavaScript also run on server. So it is also easy way to communicate server and front end user or client and a server. So it's make easier to communicate between two of them. Next comes Express.js. What it does? Express is a backend framework that runs on Node.js. Okay. So like here is a backend database and here is a server. So it is a framework Let's run on Node.js. Let's help to create API by using Express.js. We can create APIs and manage routes, process request, send response, and organize backend code in clean and efficient way. So Express is all about that. It's create APIs, routes, process request, send response. It's help in all that cases. Now what is MongoDB? MongoDB is in a NoSQL database that store our application data permanently. It can store user, product, messages, post comments, and much more. So, like SQL, it is sorry, SQL, it is a relational database, but MongoDB, it is no SQL, no relations, and it is help to store data of users or clients, whatever you call it. Now let's see how all four technology work together. When a user, like a user, there is a laptop, there is a login button. When a user click on login button, then React send a request to the backend. Or you can call server, whatever you can call. So React send a request to the backend. The backend built with Express.js. Running on Node.js because it helps to run JavaScript on server. So Express, let's get the request, then process it and check the required information. It goes to database, and find the required data. Let's return MongoDB return its request and its return the required data. And backend send the response to the React. Then backend, whatever logic it has, it's match the login logic written here. Let's return the true or false value, whatever it is, and send to the response to the browser, or you can say React. So how it's all work? Finally, React update the screen with result. So complete flow is use React Express, then it goes to Express runs on Node.js, Express request to the MongoDB database, its response to Express.js, then its respond to React. React shows or manipulates the DOM and show the user the output. Why is MERN so popular? Let's discuss why it's so popular. Because developer can use JavaScript across almost entire application, from the front end to back end, from the front end to back end. This development faster, easier to maintain, and reduces the need to switch between multiple programming languages. In this series, we won't just learn how to use MERN. We will understand why its technology exists, what problem it solves, and how everything works together internally. In next video, we will begin with the first most important foundation of one modern JavaScript, because every technology in the MERN stack is built around JavaScript. If you found this introduction helpful, subscribe to my channel and follow this series. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.